This is a video of the layout. I'm just nothing to do Monday, and I'm just gonna shoot the train here in the light, and then I'm gonna, after I take it around one time, I'm going to turn the lights off and turn all the layout lights on. And anyways, this is that's going to be an addition back with that little triangular piece of paper. Is I'm going to put a little industrial building there with one of those. It was Miller Engineering or Microstructures. I don't know who's in charge of that particular product now. Anyways, it's going to be a tool and die company sign on top of there. That might be my last lights for a while. Anyhow, following this work chassis system, 4801 around the layout. Let me make sure I got this switch relined. Oops. Although I don't think it would have been a problem. In the real world, it would have been. Anyways, this is the latest addition over here, a church and a little parsonage, and pickup truck that the pastor drives. That's one of the deacons in the church there, and the pastor's wife's coming out, and the pastor's up there on the front steps. And anyway, train's coming around to the latest light. Actually, the grade crossing, and that's a loop around with the lights on. And this is a loop around with the lights off and all the layout lights on, everything. I think I need to go over here and click on the welding machine power source from over here. Yeah, there we go. And that's every light. Another grade crossing. I love this end of the layout. Got a video with the tables and all that inside there, so I'm not going to zoom in too much on that. Train coming around to the other grade crossing. Kind of shaky. I'm walking around here. Wow, that got really dark. At least that's what it looked like on my phone camera. Anyway, come over here by the church. There's a fell on the upstairs window, and there's somebody down in the bottom of the parsonage. Of course, you can't really see inside the church because of the stained glass windows inside, but that's no details in there anyway. So a little bit of light leaking through from the steeple part. I think I need to adjust that. Whoops. Boy, did that get out of focus. My goodness. A little better. Anyways, and that was the loop around with the lights out for maybe a 5-minute overall video. Anyways, if you're watching, thanks for watching.